Hello there, Namaskar. This is Sudeep here. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about AI in a very simple language. In today's video, I wanted to share with you something super cool and super exciting. Over the past 3 years, I have been working on generative AI, the kind of AI which generates new things. So, from my learnings from the past 3 years, I wanted to share with you 51 cool things that generative AI has taught me. Ready to get started? Let's get going then.
It's all about AI.
Number 1. Generative AI is not magic. It is just smart mathematics and statistics in the background. Number 2. Generative AI can learn like a kid, but it needs lots of examples, but it can learn very fast. Number 3. Prompts are like magic spells, which you can type or dictate. Number 4. If you give generative AI a good instruction, it will be very creative. Number 5. Generative AI does not know things, but it is extremely good at predicting what should come next. Number 6. Generative AI is like a dream machine which can generate things which doesn't even exist. Number 7. Even if you make a tiny change in the input word, the output can be totally different. Number 8. AI can still make mistakes, but it's part of its learning process. Number 9. AI can be your best brainstorming buddy. It can give you lots of ideas in very little time. Generative AI still needs little bit of human touch to make its creations truly perfect. Number 11. Generative AI can make arts in lots of forms, right from cartoons to realistic paintings. Number 12. Generative AI can write very good computer code but still doesn't know why it works. Number 13. For AI, data is like a special food which makes it more smarter. Number 14. AI is very good at copying styles, but new ideas still come from humans. Number 15. The more specific information I give it, the more cooler output it generates. Number 16. AI can write songs, but it cannot actually feel the music. Number 17. AI is like a superpower autocomplete for almost anything we want to create. Number 18. Different AI models are like different characters with different specialized skills. Number 19. Generative AI can write very quick emails, but we should always double check them. Number 20. Training an AI model is like teaching a new skill over and over again. Number 21. Generative AI can generate very realistic voices, but in the beginning they were really spooky. Number 22. Generative AI is very good at starting a creative project, but not that good in finishing. Number 23. Generative AI does not get tired, so it can keep on generating things all day and night. Number 24. Generative AI can make learning real fun as it can generate cool quizzes even from books. Number 25. Generative AI can show you hidden pattern in things which you wouldn't have noticed otherwise. Number 26. Generative AI can make mistakes but still sound very sure, which is called hallucination. Number 27. If you generate something cool using generative AI, it's ethical to let people know that it was generated using AI. Number 28. Generative AI can create many different options from the same idea so that you can pick the best one. 29. Generative AI will keep surprising you with new abilities as time goes forward. Number 30. If you give an AI model good clean data, it becomes smarter, but if you give it messy data, it gets confused. Number 31. AI models can write super cool stories where you get to decide what happens next, which is super cool. Number 32. Generative AI is not only for techie people, it can be used by anybody. Number 33. Generative AI can be too literal at times. It will do exactly what you say, even if it is silly. Number 34. Generative AI can summarize really long text in a very short period of time. Number 35. Generative AI cannot replace human creativity, but it can certainly give it a boost. Number 36. The size of an AI model matters. The bigger the size, the smarter it is. Number 37. Generative AI can generate faces of people who do not actually exist in real life. Number 38. Generative AI can be used to generate personalized learning plans. Number 39. Generative AI is extremely good in mixing two entirely different things like a bike and a pizza. For example, it can generate a pizza which looks like a bike. Number 40. While using generative AI, we should have fair rules as generative AI should not be used to hurt or cheat anyone. Number 41, you can use generative AI to make your sentences simpler or even sound more professional. Number 42, generative AI does not have any personal belief or opinion. Number 43, it is always fun to see how it generates new things from really silly prompts. Number 44, you will see the tools to use generative AI will become more user-friendly as time goes on. Number 45, generative AI can create whole virtual worlds for new games or amazing movies. Number 46, generative AI can sometimes struggle with simple common sense, which is funny. Number 47, while using generative AI, you will understand that our languages are all about interesting patterns. Number 48, even the AI models need to be updated with the latest information from time to time, like the apps on our phones. Number 49, it is so amazingly exciting to think the things we will be able to do with generative AI next year. Number 50, we are incredibly fortunate to see the growth of generative AI in our era, but we should all learn to use it effectively without cheating or hurting anyone. Number 51, it is so much fun and excitement working with generative AI because it has just started and no one knows what surprise is in store for tomorrow. So that's all for today's video. Hope you have liked it. And I also hope that I have successfully generated some curiosity and interest in your hearts and minds about generative AI. Please do jump in and start learning and exploring, because this is going to be the future. But before I end this video, I have just only one request for you. Please do subscribe to this channel, and also please like, share and comment on this video so that I get motivation to make similar videos in future. So until my next video, stay curious and stay informed.